Today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy and yummy smoothie. And that is Chocolate Banana Smoothie. To make the smoothie we need a cup of fresh milk, 1 frozen banana cut into slices, sugar and dark chocolate. Okay, let's get started. First, let's put the milk, the banana, a piece of dark chocolate, half teaspoon sugar because the banana is sweet. Let's blend it. Now our chocolate banana smoothie is ready. It's delicious. Please try this at home.